Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Dung, Yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, this is a special welcome for you. And thank you so very much. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and are still there with me, manners and respect. Now somebody said on the live, Miss Debbie, give us something for Valentine's Day. I think somebody did say that. Was it camera girl? Yes, somebody did say that on the live. So I have come up with this for you. I'm come up with a little 3-meat fried rice. A triple meat fried rice. Nice little fried rice dinner. You can probably prepare it before you go to work, and when you come in at the afternoon. You can just put it together with a little sparkler, and you and your lover, you and your partner, whoever, you and your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, it doesn't matter, whoever. Because you know that Valentine's stigmatic, it's attached to lovers. So I'm going to be doing this little triple meat fried rice. Now, I'm going to be using some steak. Yup. I am going to be using a little shrimp. And I want to throw this right out. I will be scheduling the next live since I'm a little bit more aware. I'm not fully understanding on how to go about doing live. I am going to leave for you in the description. Look at the shrimp that we have. This is the amount. I'm going to leave for, I think this is 12 ounces. It's fresh shrimp and it has been deveined and properly washed. I wash mine with lime. I like to use the lime to wash my shrimp. It makes it smell so nice. It cuts all of the rawness. And I'm going to leave the price of this shrimp in the description of this video. Saying this to say that I would like to address something. I don't want to rant. It's not going to be a rant. I would just like to address it on the live. I want your feedback, so I will be addressing it on the live. Okay, I'm gonna leave the cost of the shrimp in the description of the video, this video. Somebody, or I'll jot it down, but I'm throwing it out to Sheppy, Bradshaw, or Less Forever, if they can remind me what I was gonna talk about pertaining to the shrimp. It's not really about the shrimp, but the shrimp will, you know, enhance the little talk there. So we're using some shrimp, and we'll get on to that, and we're using some chicken breast. These are all fresh meat that I just cleaned and washed, okay? Boneless, skinless chicken breast. And you have them all in strips. Now, this is how you want the beef, because of these three, the beef is the most chewy. You want to use like flat steak like this. But I'll break somewhere, I'll find somewhere in the video to show you how you prepare the beef to get it like this. We want to proceed with the video right now, so I'll find somewhere within this video to show you how to prepare this, you know, use your flat steak, boneless, and all of that. So with that, all of that being said, we're going to start to season. Right on over here, I'm using 2 different skillets or frying pan or whatever they name, but they don't know. So they are being heated on the low right now because we don't want them get too hot. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be seasoning this beef with a little salt, a little coriander powder, not a lot. I'll also be grating off a little garlic on it. That's basically it. Season it up. Just rub it up. This is on the low. Let us get it on the medium. I hope you're all in on what I'm doing. Okay? Use as little oil as possible. Right in there, it was on the low. So let it, you know, you get it right out. You can see the beef is like it's string. More like on the stringy part. It is less thinner than the peppered steak. Too high. Let it stay there. Now, we have got some chicken. Okay, we're gonna season the chicken just with a little bit of salt and also a little coriander powder, and the same thing we are gonna deal with. Okay, we're gonna be putting a piece of garlic on the chicken. We are going to be rubbing up this chicken and leaving it right here. We're not ready. We're going to put it with the beef at some point, but we are not quite ready. So let us leave that. It's not properly rubbed out as yet. Right on over here, we have got our shrimp. We're going to be putting the shrimp in this skillet, okay? So let me notch it up a bit. So, I hope you're all in on what I'm doing. This is the hardest part, fam, and the little preparation. A little chunks of salt. A little black pepper. Not a lot. If you have white pepper, you could do it. And also a little garlic on the shrimp. Now, we should have put it, please remember this, a little baking powder on the beef. Since it's a little more chewy, just a small amount, not a lot. Look at that. Just to enhance with this, you know, to get it soft. Look at that. Look at it in the pot. So you want to get it right there on a sort of like medium heat and paying some attention to it, okay? We're not going to brown off, you know, we just want it properly, you know? So we're going to cook it for about 10 minutes before adding the chicken. So the chicken and the beef will finish cooking together. You see what happens when you add a little baking powder? So if it's double acting, that was double acting that I added. So if it's not double acting, you know, you add a little more, okay? So you're going to ride and whistle on that dish, you know, family. Make a turn down that, okay? Alright, so look at it. That is happening right there. You want to come right back over here, and we are going to be dealing with the shrimp on its own. Because you know this is just really just easy cooking thing. You don't have to cook it long. Okay? So let us put our shrimp right in there. And we're going to bring it up to about almost to medium. And we have them two little shrimp there looking real lonely over there. So we're going to be going now cooking off our beef. You see that little juice in its way having there? Okay. For another 10 minutes, and when we return, we'll be adding the chicken, and also our shrimp should be finished. Now you know if you cook your little shrimp, don't overcook the shrimp, or else you're gonna end up with some bubble gum. Okay? Okay, now I've turned off my shrimp, family. This is this color because it's still on the burner, so you know it is gonna be there still finished cooking a little. Okay? So you want to have your shrimp this color. Because you remember you have to go incorporate it again under a little heat, so you don't want to overcook them from now. Right here, let's get our flame up, because this thing you cook about almost 11 minutes now. So we have our flame up. So right here we had our little chicken, so we're going to finish properly rub up with chicken now, okay? And it's about time now to drop it right in there, up on a little higher heat with the beef, and leave them to cook together. Come in very much occasionally to cook them, because you don't want to cover them this thing, you know, you don't want it to, because the moment you cover it, it's gonna spring water. Remember, we're doing fried rice. So you have the heat now up to a little above medium, not fully high. You understand what I'm saying? So you're gonna give the chicken another 10 minutes up to the chicken of itself will be 10 minutes more. So by the time that 10 minutes is up, the beef will be cooked for 10 minutes, and the 20 minutes overall, and the chicken, okay? Because we don't want it all, you know, overcooked. So look at it. Remember, you're not gonna add any water. So you notice all of the juice start to come out of the pan. What you want to do now is lower the flame almost to low. Let it go and cook in its own little juice and all of that. And you can move the spoon from one pot to another, because everybody are going to mix up. So you see a little shrimp them over there, so them now go and bad at all. Please come in. Now tell no lie. Them look. Them now go and bad. So let us leave this, and occasionally, or a little bit more than occasionally, because you can't make this thing okay? So we are going to cook it, because when it finished cooking, the chicken should be a little more, you know, because you see it's still not cooked. The chicken is going to shrink and come down to a little smaller size. Let's go right on over here right now. Right now, I'm going to be showing you how to get your beef to that at that pace where you have cook your beef. Remember, we are going to be using some eggs and scrambled eggs. If you don't want scrambled eggs in your fried rice, you can just easily omit it. And you don't have to use anything to substitute it. It's just that the eggs had such a nice texture to the fried rice. That's just it, okay? So now, with this is clean and this is washed, properly washed. What you want to do now with this, you want to have it on your clean board and you want to have your meat mallet. You want to use this side of the mallet, clean board. Do not put this on any paper because this guy is a pretty tough dude. This is beef. So you're going to have to slap it more than how you slap the chicken. Normally when you're doing the chicken, you put it between a piece of parchment or some other grease or something. But you just slap this dude on its own. It's pretty tough. Gonna make a little noise, okay? So I'll just make a little noise to show you once, and then you're gonna slap it. Slap it. If you have trypophobia there, you might want to click off. And on that note of trypophobia, we want to address it on Debbie Debs. Pretty few slaps. We are going to finish slap it and come back and show you how to finish look. Okay, now we are back. So you want to slap it till it comes. It maybe can get a few more slaps. So you want to get it until it comes like this. Flat. You realize the size that we started and it's getting flatter inside here. You want to give it a few slaps till everywhere is thin. Inside here is a bit thick. So you could, slap it until you're almost looking through it. Then you would come. If you want to cut it on this side, it doesn't matter here, because it will still cook. You cut it, make sure it's cut thinner than the peppered steak. Must be thinner. Okay? So you get it. So we're going to finish it. Cut it off like this, and you'll get all of these thin strips to put in your fried rice and in any other little easy dish. Okay? We are gonna go now finish cooking off. Get my hands washed, get this out of the way. Finish cooking off the pork. Finish cooking off the beef and the chicken. You could also add some nice lean pork to substitute the beef, or if you whatever. Okay? Boneless, nice, pretty lean pork. So when we come back, this meat, the shrimp is already almost cooked. So when we come back, the beef and the chicken should be finished. And we'll be proceeding to put the vegetables and the rice together. Okay? Okay, now family. See your chicken here. And you see, come down a little but the chicken have a little color. So look here. Any real kitchen you must taste. So, you know the chicken alright. Not true. Because you know the chicken needs a cook. Huh? You try your beef and your beef good. Right here, you make sure say, come out with it. Don't worry, you know? You don't want it coming out too with too much juice. Alright. You could take it off a little earlier too, you know. So my mouth is smacking as I go along. Put in a little extra oil right in here. We're going to turn the heat up. We're going to be getting some flavors in right here, right now. So the first thing is some garlic and some ginger. Let that go and saute right over there. Right on over here, we have a shrimp and them rest. Them rest and all of that. So whilst that is taking on some flavor in the pot, you want to squeeze some lime. If you have lemon, you can go ahead, but preferably some lime juice on your shrimp. Okay? If you want to use your lime squeezer or your whatever, citrus squeezer or whatever. Okay? Don't let that burn right and whistling. Yeah. So your lime juice now with your shrimp and then over this. So camera girl, shoot them up now. Shoot them up and over that look. This is inside here doing what it's supposed to do. It's not supposed to get burned. You're not supposed to let it get burned. Now some people use carrots, they use some green peas, and they use other things. I'm using some fresh green beans. I'm using some carrots all fresh and some red bell pepper. So I'm going to put the whole of that right in there so because I'm deal with some flavoring. See? I want them with the one I put in there. But one saute off. So this is what is gonna happen here. Okay, I'm gonna leave this and look at the beauty to saute off. Not too high, and you're not gonna whip on the low. It is between high and medium. Okay, so that pretty little color in there, so and it can happen in there. Right on over here. Okay, when it saute off to a certain little mention, let it take on a little more sauteing off, because we have got here some red onions to put in there, but make it go on a little, because the green beans, they're not cooked, them are just fresh green beans and carrot. Yeah, open the flame a little bit, they take a little time. So try, we have this, whatever the onions you want to use, you use it. I'm using this. You have your rice right here, and also we have some celery also, and some green onions. We have too much sitting. So you have your rice right here, and you don't have to be stale rice. You can cook your rice a few hours ahead of time and leave it in the fridge or in your freezer to come, you know, just come together, get compact. Okay, that is out the way. Let us add these now. Okay, this is the flavor. So we're going to cook these so till them come down. So like, you know, reduce to a certain amount. We can get our flame up a little bit. And when we return, we are going to do some serious incorporation. This vegetable might be too much. We'll see. If not, if we have to take out some, we'll realize then and there. So let me say now, between high and medium, no lower. So when we return, if we have to take out some of this, we can take it out, freeze it for the next time we have to fry rice. I know nothing. Okay, now family, so this is our vegetable mix to color up our fried rice. It's too much, so we have removed it. So you want to cook it and let it still have the color maintaining. So, but this is too much, nothing is wrong. Okay, so with the same pan, we removed it, and we are going to be adding a little oil to this pan here. Right here, we've got 5 eggs, but look at me, these eggs are really small. So if you have large ones, you could use 3. So whatever way you want to get your eggs scrambled up, carry up your flame, you do it how you want to do it. And we have a pretty good mess there going on inside our sink. Okay, so you want to get the eggs scrambled, but you don't want the egg them to scramble too dry. I'll show you. Okay, so you mix up everything, make it have a little yellow, because if you notice over there, we don't have no yellow because the carrot is orange. So this is almost too high now, so you want to have your eggs scrambling. I'll show you at what pace and when you have to turn off your stove, because you don't want the egg them come too dry out, you know. The egg is gonna stay to bring back, you know, a little moisture. So at this stage you can turn off the heat underneath your eggs then. Because you have to remember saying that you're gonna incorporate everybody, so the egg them are gonna go back in the heat, you know. So look at this. This is how soft you want them. So you're gonna be coming now, removing your eggs now to another platter. Remember, everybody are gonna mix up, you know, so nothing wrong. Okay? So this is your egg, all soft and nice how you want it. Alright? Right back here now, you have your heat up. You're gonna be returning to this pan. You don't have to do it clean. And then now you're gonna throw a little extra oil on that. You don't let it burn, right? And you're gonna get it all up, and you're going to put in your rice now, because you have to go get your rice all started frying up by itself and all of that. So make sure all the chunks are out. You don't have it in any chunks, like this. So when you return, this rice should be all, you know, mushed out. And you'll see what we are going to deal with. Soon come. Okay, now family, your rice is all mushed out, and you saw it clean the pan. I told you it wouldn't be any problem. And you want to have your heat almost to high with a little sizzler going. And when you look, you see the little glossiness from the little extra oil that you put in there. So the more you do like this, is the more your rice come to what you want it to be. Now you want to get back these meat right in there, not the shrimp as yet. Okay, I'm gonna lower my flame. Because at this point I want to put a little honey onto my my beef, and my, just a little bit, that is like a tablespoon. Okay, so if you don't want to do that and you have like a caviar, some of that, I put the honey there because remember I did put some lime juice on the shrimp. Okay, now that I've put this in there, I have got a few cubes of pineapple here. I'm gonna get my flame back up. I'm gonna get it right in. Okay, I want the pineapple going in now because I want the heat to take the pineapple with the pineapple cubes and to get it softened. Okay, that all the flavors can combine together. So we are gonna do this, and you're gonna have to be staying here right now. You know, see no color now, not come out yet. It no look like a fried rice yet. But when we return with the finished incorporation, you will definitely see say a fried rice with this little honey thing here and the little shrimp over there. So with the lime juice and all of that, and your flame should be up right now almost to high. Because you know, once it start make no water and it gets saggy and all of that soon come. Now we are going to be putting in some of this, and family, it is such a beauty. Come on, girls and mom, the flavor of the honey is so nice. Let us put in about a half of this and see where we are. Okay, it is so lovely, y'all. Still on the almost to high. Look at it. The heat is taking the pineapple cubes, and you're gonna have that burst of flavor. Let us lower flame right here, because right here we want to give our rice a little dark of a color. I'm using this. Be careful, don't do a lot. We don't want it to go too dark. But remember, say fried rice, they have a little, you know, a little darkish. I will just take out the little extra white out of it. That should be good, I hope, because my soy sauce is strong. Up back with your flame. Time for shrimp on the eye. Right in. And it's right in. You see that nice glossiness, that's nice prettiness. We have a little shrimp, one, and we have a little veggies on the eye. Do not lose focus now and let too much. Now you want to put in all of your eggs, because the egg is going to give it that little yellow color for the fried rice to get. Fold it in gently, evening it out. We're going to do that and leave it to rest. And when we return, you see we look like we have the perfect fried rice look. We are going to be plating up some, and we are going to use some green scallion to do the garnishing. We soon come. You want to have your eggs in there, soft and nice, and look like a fried rice you make. We soon come. Okay, now family, this is our finished look. You can see with pineapple, you see with egg, you see with little shrimp. The shrimp wasn't a lot, but we have it. We have our beef, and the most visible, invisible thing there is like the chicken, because chicken have the little white color. So the beef was good. We're gonna plate up some, get it garnished, and come back to present to you. And of course, you know, I'm gonna have some of this. Okay, now family, all ready for you, and we have decorated with a little green scallions. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is 3 meat fried rice done for you from scratch. Please do enjoy. Now if you have liked this video, and you can see it's a different look from in the skillet was dark, so you would never get the color of the fried rice coming out. It's on the plate that is white now. You get all the different colors that are coming out. You see a shrimp with a little light pink, and we have with pineapples and all of that. Please do enjoy once more. Now if you have liked this video, I would ask of you to just give me a thumbs up. Remember to like. Oh, thumbs up is like, okay? Remember to subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? When you do subscribe, hit the bell. Hitting the bell means that you will be informed when another video is uploaded or when we're going live. Okay, y'all? So remember to like, share, subscribe again. And when you do that, you will become a member of the post notification groups. Today's post notification shout out goes to, look up top there, your name will be there. And that video is the video prior to our first little live. Okay? Please do enjoy. Hello, I'm not leaving. I'm going to be tasting for you. So I want to take up that I have shrimp and I have beef. I have shrimp, I have beef, and I want a piece of chicken, and I want some egg there for let you see, and I want to get some of the pineapple. I want to taste the pineapple. I want to give you a little feel How it a go taste. Me know it tastes already. So we are trying to look 2 pieces of the pineapple. Pineapple them could be a little brighter in color though. So, nice juicy shrimp, fresh and nice, soft, no barking. My beef is there, and that nice little limey taste from what I sprinkled on the shrimp, lime juice. This is my beef. This is pineapple. This is what I wanted to tell you. I wanted to taste the pineapple to let you know that burst of the pineapple in your mouth with all of these flavors. Want to get your egg soft and nice, the egg not dry out and pop down like brown paper. Right? This is beautiful. Okay? So beautiful. So just like, no not only powder season for overpower it and all of that. Okay. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, please do enjoy and happy cooking. Debbie from Dung, Yaad. Bless, no stress.